We're going to start with the closing arguments in Donald Trump's hush money trial. The defense began this morning and has been making its case for more than 2 hours now. Trump's attorneys are trying to sow doubt in jurors' minds that the former president falsified business records in order to influence the 2016 election.
This afternoon, this will be the prosecution's turn, and they're expected to take 4 to 4.5 hours. And once both sides have wrapped, the judge will read out the jury instructions and deliberations then will begin. NBC News correspondent Dasha Burns joins us now from just outside the courthouse there in Lower Manhattan. Dasha, I mean, this is a big day. What is the defense saying during its closing arguments? And frankly, what can we sort of anticipate then hearing from the prosecution?
Morgan, a massive historic day and high stakes for the former president and for his legal team. Right now, the former president's lawyer, Todd Blanche, is talking to the jury, trying to poke holes in the prosecution's case. Everything from saying that the former president was far too busy to be involved in some sort of scheme while he was at the White House to questioning the influence that a publication like The Inquirer could even have on an election, and to trying to again undercut the key witness for the prosecution, Michael Cohen, painting him as bitter, painting him as a liar. Now, this is a really difficult task for both the defense and the prosecution because remember, Morgan, these jurors have been sitting in that courtroom through about 80 hours of witness testimony, through more than 20 witnesses, through many days. I mean, think back, David Pecker was the first witness. That feels like a lifetime ago. And this is why the prosecution is anticipated to take about 4.5 hours. When the prosecution gets up to make its case, they are going to be reminding the jurors, not making new arguments, not introducing new evidence, but reminding the jurors about those key moments in the trial, from David Pecker to the former president's former assistant, all of those witnesses that helped them make the case. They got to remind those jurors who probably feel like it's a bit of a blur at this point.
4.5 hours is a long time for the prosecution there. Dasha, we also know there's a lot going on outside the courthouse where you are, too. Surrogates for both Biden and Trump spoke with the press. Walk us through their comments.
Yeah, the Biden campaign sent out some surrogates today to come in front of the courthouse. Former Capitol Police officers who were there on January 6th, trying to remind voters about the stakes of this election, calling Trump a threat to democracy. Actor Robert De Niro was out there on behalf of the Biden campaign, saying Trump is a threat not only to New York City, but to the entire world. The Trump campaign, for their part, had their own spokespeople out there saying that Biden's people coming out here is more proof of the case that they've been making, that this is, quote unquote, election interference. Of course, no real evidence of that, just folks here to advocate. But a stark contrast between these two teams trying to get the message out for their respective presidential candidates, guys.
All right, NBC News correspondent Dasha Burns. Dasha, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.